Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Removing \n from a string in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In Python, the \n character represents a new line in strings. Removing \n from a string is a common operation, especially when dealing with text data from files or user inputs. In this tutorial, we will explore different methods to remove \n from a string in Python, along with code examples. Method 1, using the str.replace method. The str.replace method allows you to replace a specified substring with another substring. In this case, we can replace \n with an empty string. Output. Method 2, using str.translate, with str.maketrans. The str.translate method, combined with str.maketrans, can be used to remove specific characters from a string. Output. Method 3, using a list comprehension and str.join. A list comprehension can be used to create a list of strings without \n, and then str.join is used to concatenate the list into a single string. Output. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored 3 different methods to remove \n from a string in Python. The choice of method depends on the specific requirements and the context in which you are working. Experiment with these methods and choose the one that best fits your needs. Removing \n is a common task, and mastering these techniques will be beneficial in various programming scenarios. ChatGPT.